Guys, welcome back to my channel. I've already done a video, a very lengthy one, on these drop-in anchors. Now, if you guys really need to know all the ins and outs of these things, check in the video at the very end of this video. It's coming up. You guys will see how to install these, all the shear, all the force it'll hold, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to show you guys really quick how to install this. The very quick, fast version, I guess, with no stories. And I'm going to put this in here, and I'm going to tell you, do not use your Kleins to put these in, because you see what happened to mine. So, we're going to use this hammer, the big purple eater. All right, I'm going to sink it in here. I'm going to show you guys how to do it real quick. Get ready. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we want to remember that the depth, this has to be the very bare balls minimum, or the BBM for short, is 1 5/8. Why is that? Well, let's open it up and see. Because this is 1 5/8. If you go any shorter, you're going to risk it being above your whatever you're putting it in, typically a floor, and then you're going to have problems. All right, what you're going to need for this project: a drop-in anchor, setting tool, hammer, SDS or a drill bit. Now, I'm going to show you. I already have my tape set up on here for the last video we did. So that is the correct depth. You want to see? I'm going to show you. If you go to the bottom of your tape, that thing will sit in there damn near perfect. So let's go ahead, move everything out. Let's go ahead and drill a hole. And let's see just how easy this is. Ready? Contact. What we want to do, make sure your hole is good and cleaned out, which we already know it is. We're going to drop that in there. We're going to take our setting tool. We're going to put it in. We're going to hit this until it is flush, until the shoulder of this drive tool is flush right here with my block. So let's go ahead. And you'll hear the difference, as you probably just did. We know it's good and set now. Take it out. Bada boom, bada bing. We are good to go. Let's make sure that our bolt will fit, screw in perfectly. No threads are messed up. Give the old pull test. It's good and tight, yeah. Now, like I mentioned, this is the quick version. The best way to do it is, remember this. You need, what do you need? Depends on what anchor you have. I had 3/8, so I needed a 1/2 inch bit. Make sure you get the right bit. Make sure you go the right depth. If you don't know, Google it. Google is your friend. Make sure you got the right bolt. The bolt length. You don't want to put a damn 4-inch bolt in here and have to put 26 washers on there. You just don't want to do it. Make sure that you get an SDS or a drill bit. Make sure you put your little tag on there. This is important. Before I've told you it's not, this is important. You want to go the right depth. Then you want to clean your hole out. Then you want to drop your anchor in. Then you want to use your setting tool, your hammer, bam, and knock the F out. I hope that you learned something this time. Very quick video for this week. Just, I just wanted to show you without any conversation per se. You guys can see how to use these things. These things are inexpensive. Links to all this will be down below in the description where you can buy this stuff. Super simple, super easy. If you want to watch a very in-depth video on this for real, with all the shear, just a lot of good information, at least I think it is, then check right here in the video that's coming up. Click on that video, guys. Make sure you go there, because I want to see you guys there. All right? Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, if it helped you. Hit that bell notification to all, so you guys will get every video I upload. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a great day.